Guys, this is Augustana and you are watching Dora Dixon Wonders. So basically, today I am going to do the part 8 of Tech Bungie Season 1. So basically, in this part, I am going to tell you about the PlayStation 5's user interface. Yes, I know you, after hearing this, what I have told just now, will be as much excited as I am right now. Because user interface of PlayStation 5, we were basically just overenjoyed when the PlayStation 5 trailer was announced. And after that, when the teardown came of the PS5. And now, when the user interface video, PlayStation 5 official, this one is obviously not a fan-made trailer like that. So, now, we are really excited because PlayStation has finally now even told us about the user interface of PlayStation 5. So, without further ado, let's begin. And yes, before saying this, I even want to say that after this user interface talk, I will even tell you about that when the PlayStation 5 will be officially launched in India. Basically, Sony has confirmed. I will tell you just after this what Sony has confirmed, because you will be really stunned or whatever thrilled when you hear this thing, which I will tell you right now. Okay guys, so this is the first look at the PlayStation 5 user experience or user interface, whatever you want to call. So this is the video which I found on PlayStation. You can even watch it separately. I will basically tell you that from where you can see it. Basically, I will leave the links down below. You can directly click on them and as usual, you can just watch that video, this video only separately. Okay, so without further ado, let's start this video. This is on PlayStation Europe, on the main PlayStation, and thank God this video is in English so we can easily understand and not in Japanese. Because Japanese only could have understood that teardown video, not we Indians. Yes, but now its translation has even come because as I said, PlayStation is the best game company. So PlayStation is not basically what you call. PlayStation has even done something wrong or not good, then also people will support them. It's like that only. And following too much. Okay, this is a PEGI 16 video. So 16 plus people can easily watch it, but yes, smaller ones can even. Okay, so right now we should just listen to this guy who is speaking about the PlayStation 5 UI, because I know, but not that much actually, because before this video no one knew. So he is a PlayStation, a guy from PlayStation only, so you should first listen to him. I should even. I have increased the voice so as you can hear it clearly whatever he is saying. Press the PS turn on your controller. Basically now the PlayStation 5 has started from the rest mode. This thing only this guy said, and yes, it goes like this only. So when you click on the PlayStation logo button on the controller, as you can see, yes, so why not he is just pressing on it. Okay, so he is telling yes, what I was even saying, that yes, when you just click on this button, this PlayStation logo button, the PS5 will start from the rest mode. Yes, welcome back to PlayStation. The guy's name is Scotty Canzo, so he is logging in from his account. Let him log in and let's see how the screen will come like. Okay, so this is not the start screen. Many people were confused that is this the start screen or not, but this is not the starting screen, it's the games library. So this guy has too many games on PlayStation 5. This is the official news. This is, you can take in the game between screenshots, you know already, and that's the feature even in PlayStation 4. So that it's even the same in this particular PlayStation 5. And yes, the PlayStation 5, all these things are the same as that of the PS4. As you guys already know, this is just the same. Like this only, the game library is even there in the PS4. So it's the same, but yes, this is PlayStation 5. really amazing, because now this time they have the white black combination. The previous time they only had the black combination everywhere. In the hardware, in the software it was blue, but now here in the hardware it is white and black combination, and here in the main most of the things will be in black, not in blue, like just like the PS4 or the PlayStation. Okay, so he is showing just his games collections. Let's fast forward this up. Okay, so right now he is playing Little Big Planet, a very good game made by Gorilla Cambridge, the ones who have created Killzone even. The Killzone series you already know, the most famous killing series, shooting series after Call of Duty. You already know about it. So like it even shows how much minutes of the game is left. Like this. And guys, like it is showing that this game's total progress till now is 33%. So like this only you can come to know that how much of your game is completed and how much is left. This feature wasn't there in the PS4 games library, so these some minute and small features or add-ons are there in the PS5, even some big ones even. So because it's of course the next gen console, whereas the PS4 is our present gen console only, so there is a difference between them of land and sky, of course. Okay, so now this is a picture-in-picture mode, as you can see, guys. The picture here is to this which is coming here, the Little Big Planet's picture. It is even coming here, as you can see, and the video is even made. That's really amazing. I hadn't expected this from this PS5 user interface. This much not at all. Actually, none of the gamers have expected this thing. Okay, so this is the Little Big Planet's gameplay only, nothing more. And here he has recorded the full video. You can even share your screen via using the share button on the DualSense controller. The share button is the one which is now being changed from the before only in the DualShock 4 it was share button. That's what I said. In the DualShock 4 it was share button, but now in the DualSense it is the create button. So by using the create button you can create anything like a video or share your screen, do live streams, anything. For YouTubers this is really amazing. Even for me, when I will buy my PS5, it will be even very much amazing and pretty good for me too. So guys, see yourself, man. What can I say? So many of games even here. You can take, as I had already said before, even in the starting of this video, that you can take in-game screenshots. This is a Destruction All Stars. As you know, All Star is a very good franchise of PlayStation exclusive. But I don't really like it very much. Okay, so this is the same thing they are showing here again and again. Then Meet the Family. Yes, this is even what you call basically, I should just rewind it a bit. Yes, Meet the Family. So basically this is a new section on the PlayStation 5 user interface, in which it will tell you about all the PlayStation 5 related news, latest updates, and all the other latest news related to PlayStation 5, and even the PlayStation 5 trailer and all the official news from PlayStation 5. And even with that, all the latest news is related to the PS5's predecessor, the PS4, and even PS3. So it's like that only. Really a legacy of gaming consoles, PlayStation. Really amazing and really excited. And yes, even the must-see column comes where, as you already guys know, it was even PS4, where whatever kind of games you play it, by just seeing them for 2 to 3 days or how many days, they make opinion that yes, you can please play these kind of games. So they will show it like this here in the must-see column, which was coming there. Then this is all your versus matches inside a game. Ratchet Clank. Ratchet Clank is a very good series again, PlayStation exclusive. All the good games are all PlayStation exclusive of PlayStation. For the PlayStation user it's laggy, but for the PC cloud gaming gamers, or for even Xbox user, it is not. Okay guys, so yes, so okay, then even there is a power button, as you said. You can enter or format your PS5, or you can put it on rest again like he was. So this was a short clip from PlayStation State of Play. As I already said, I have collected this from PlayStation Europe. So play has no limits, PlayStation. Okay guys, so just leave it. I was saying that there was some another video in the queue. As I watched videos, I had to put them in queue, so it was like that. Don't pay heed to that. Okay, so basically guys, the PlayStation 5 user interface is really amazing, just like the teardown and the trailer. If it is like that, you even think like that, please comment down below and tell me about your thing. What do you think about this? Basically, your choices, your opinions, basically. The correct word is opinion. Okay, so now I am going to not again going to show you something on screen, but yes, just tell about it during this talk. Okay, so for the Indian gamers, Indian PlayStation fans, boys, this is really an amazing thing because Sony has announced, not for the rest of the world I'm saying, it's about my other international viewers, basically those who are who not live in India. For them, this is not this news is not for them, but for those only who are there in India or regions near India like Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and all this south belt. For them only, this thing will be useful in Sri Lanka. Okay, so this is that in India and all these other regions near India, PlayStation will excluding China. In Asia, every other country for that it is, and in India and all these other countries excluding China, PlayStation, Sony has announced and PlayStation India has announced that they will open their pre-order windows of PlayStation 5 after the Amazon Great India Festival. As you guys know, which is a very big Amazon sale which goes on every year, and right now it's live, so I will provide its link even to you guys, so as you can access that and pick crazy deals. And yes, after this sale only they are going to open this window of pre-order, and firstly you can get it on PlayStation on of course the all official PlayStation stores, digital or physical, doesn't matters. Even the what you call these Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, these kind of big stores, eBay or games and shop like this, but not on small stores like small electronic stores like what can I name, many are there. Yes, you can even get it on a very good Indian site, Tata Click and Reliance Digital, Tata Chroma, and many others are there. Okay, so you can just rely on them for the pre-orders, because others we will say, even they are just saying by making videos that please give us pre-orders, please give us pre-orders. Is wrong, because you will waste your money, as they will make you a fool, as basically they won't give you any of your pre-orders. Basically you will pre-order, give them money, Paytm or anything, you will even show them, but they won't actually say anything. They will just run away with your money, so they will seal it. Basically because they don't even will not provide them firstly with this thing, the PlayStation 5, so you only will be fooled. So don't waste your money guys here, but this will not become full like this. If you have the budget to buy it from Amazon, Flipkart or Snapdeal, get the shop or Tata Click, any site like this, big ones, or eBay, whatever, or even the PlayStation official stores, digital or physical, but not from any other place. I promise you guys, please do not. Basically promise you, I'm promising you that these people are thinking like this only, so that they will make you fool like this. So please don't become a prey of their hunt. Please don't become prey of their hunt, I'm saying. Okay guys, so it's this much only for this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, and please don't like and subscribe for more amazing videos like this too, and share this video with your gaming fans. Basically the gamers, basically mainly the PlayStation fans, whatsoever they are. But everybody like PlayStation, so it's not a fanboyism here. So please don't show it in the comment section and like this PlayStation, Xbox, and don't know. Please don't do that. It just makes me troublesome. Okay, so just mainly share it, and after sharing, even click on the notification bell icon. As when you will have subscribed, you would like to that notification come. So when you click on the notification bell icon, you can get the latest updates whenever I upload a new video on Dolorix. So after all this things, please click. You can sit easily and enjoy this video. By now, you might have fully enjoyed this video. So enjoy this video because this is really amazing. So thanks for watching this video. It's only this much for this video, and as always, take care. As I always say, because you should take care in this corona period. And now, thanks for watching again. Saying this is Dolorix, and you are watching Dolorix only. I am Dolorix.